Imagine flipping through a book that not only tells your family's history, but also lets you taste it. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how you can create a family heirloom that does just that. Genealogy is more than a hobby. It's a journey into the past that helps us understand who we are and where we come from. Each branch of a family tree tells a story, and each story is a piece of the puzzle that shapes our identity. For genealogists, uncovering these stories involves meticulous research, patience, and a passion for history. But what if you could add another layer to this journey? One that involves the senses of taste and smell. Food has always been a central part of family life, with traditional recipes passed down through generations. These recipes are more than just instructions. They are a way to remember and honor our ancestors and see how they lived. Creating a family cookbook allows genealogists to preserve these culinary traditions alongside their family history. At FamilyCookbookProject.com, we believe that preserving treasured family recipes is a natural extension of preserving our family tree. Our platform helps geographically diverse families come together to create a family cookbook. The process is simple. The organizer invites family members to contribute via email, and each contributor enters their own recipes. This collaborative approach ensures that the cookbook is truly a family project, rich with stories and photos. Creating a family cookbook is a deeply rewarding experience, offering a sense of accomplishment and a meaningful way to honor your family's heritage. For future family members, the family cookbook becomes a treasured heirloom, a tangible connection to their roots. One of the most poignant aspects is the opportunity to remember family members who have passed away through their signature dishes. Including stories and anecdotes about these family members helps to keep their memory alive. For genealogists, a family cookbook is a genealogy home run, combining family history with the sensory experience of traditional recipes. Getting started with FamilyCookbookProject.com is easy. Create an account, set up your cookbook, and start inviting family members to contribute. Once the family cookbook is complete, celebrate with a family gathering to enjoy the family recipes. Creating a family cookbook is more than just compiling recipes. It is about preserving a legacy. Start your journey today with FamilyCookbookProject.com.